Biotechnology has become one of the most rapidly evolving fields in science, transforming various sectors from healthcare and agriculture to environmental conservation and industrial processes. As we delve into the major modern advancements in biotechnology, we can categorize them into a few primary areas of impact. CRISPR, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, has been hailed as a significant breakthrough in the field of genetic engineering, allowing scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision, efficiency, and flexibility. This technology has facilitated advancements in personalized medicine by honing in on specific genetic markers responsible for numerous diseases. The potential applications extend beyond healthcare into agriculture, where genetically modified crops can be created to resist diseases and environmental stress. Synthetic biology is an interdisciplinary branch that combines biotechnology, engineering, and computer science to design and construct new biological parts, devices, and systems. It has enabled the development of artificial tissues, organs, and even synthetic organisms that can perform specific tasks, such as degrading pollutants. Additionally, researchers are leveraging synthetic biology to produce compounds like biofuels or pharmaceuticals more sustainably. Stem cell research is at the forefront of regenerative medicine, offering the potential to repair or replace damaged tissues and organs. Techniques such as 3D bioprinting aid in fabricating complex tissue structures, which could revolutionize organ transplantation. Clinical applications are being expanded to include more sophisticated treatments for degenerative diseases, injury recovery, and even aesthetic surgery. The integration of bioinformatics has become essential to managing and analyzing expansive datasets derived from biological research, facilitating advancements in genomics, proteomics, and systems biology. This has led to a paradigm shift in drug discovery, enabling more efficient identification of promising drug candidates and personalized medicine approaches based on genomic data. Modern biotechnology breakthroughs have paved the way for sophisticated diagnostic tools and personalized medicine solutions that cater to individual patient profiles. Techniques such as liquid biopsies and high-throughput sequencing allow early diagnosis and improved treatment regimens for various diseases, including cancer. The application of biotechnological innovations in agriculture has resulted in genetically modified organisms, GMOs, that improve nutritional content and agricultural productivity. Techniques such as gene editing are used to develop pest-resistant and drought-tolerant crop varieties, ultimately contributing to global food security. These advancements collectively illustrate the transformative power of modern biotechnology across diverse fields. With ongoing research and ethical considerations guiding their application, biotechnology continues to offer promising solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges, maintaining its position as a crucial pillar of scientific innovation and progress.